Unlock convenience with just a few taps on your phone by downloading the app. Download PayMaya in the App Store or Google Play. Open the PayMaya app and register with your name, mobile number, and email address. Read the data privacy policy and tap Agree once you're done. You may also tap the box to enable data and personalization. Enter the verification code to be sent via SMS and tap Proceed. If you have an invite code, input the code and tap Submit Invite Code. It's that easy. After doing these steps, you may now upgrade your account so you can enjoy all the features of PayMaya. Get extra rewards when you use an invite code upon registration. Once you're done with the registration and have entered the verification code, input your friend's invite code and tap Submit Invite Code. You and your friend will receive your rewards after the successful sign-up. Enjoy all the features of the PayMaya app when you upgrade your account. Tap the menu button on the upper left corner of the screen and select Upgrade My Account. Review instructions and tap Next. Prepare your valid IDs and tap Next. Input your name, birth date, and other details that match your ID. And take front and back photos of your valid ID. Record a video selfie following the instructions on the screen. Tap Next. Review your information and tap Submit. Wait for account upgrade confirmation and tap Done. You may check the status of your application by tapping Check My Upgrade Status on the menu. Once your account is successfully upgraded, you may now send money to friends, withdraw money using a PayMaya card, and unlock higher account limits for your PayMaya. Remember, PayMaya and its representatives will never ask for fees, your account password, your online virtual card number, and your one-time PIN when upgrading your account.